Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore different ways that you can share your Google slide decks. So from your slide deck, click on File, and you'll see this Share option, and you have two choices, either Share with Others or Publish to Web. We're going to look at Share with Others first. This will probably seem a bit more familiar to you, as this is typically how you would share most Google documents. You can add people if you have their username. Here we have a list of people who have access to it. You can restrict it, publish only to certain groups, or make it public on the web. Anyone with that link. And then if you want to, you can copy that link. When you've done the settings the way you want them to, just click Done. Or you can publish to the web. And if we do this, let's click on Publish to Web. I can generate a link, and I have a couple of different options here. Auto, advanced slides every 3 seconds, whatever. If I want to, I can start the slideshow as soon as the player loads and restart the slideshow after the last slide. I can restrict it to my own domain if I want. Or if I so choose, I can embed this. I can generate an embed code that will make sure it's the right size, it has the right settings and whatnot. Right now I'll just do a link, and let's say we want the slideshow to start as soon as the player loads and restart the slideshow after the last slide. When I click on Publish, it's going to make sure you want to do this because this will make it public on the web. So you do want to make sure that that's actually what you want to do. Click OK. And now I have this link that I can send out through Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. And if I ever want to unpublish this, I can go down here where it says Published Content and Settings. This is currently public, but if I want to undo that, I can just click on Stop Publishing, and it will no longer be publicly available using that link or at all. And that is how you can share your Google slide decks or presentations depending on how you want to share them.